Micro. Now, I told you guys I worked for the military, wasn't in the military, but worked for the military. Well, Fort Knox, that's where they keep all the gold. You never hear about anybody stealing the gold from Fort Knox. Why is that? Because it's locked up tight. You can't get in and you can't get out because it's sealed, it's tight. They protect the gold. Well, Trend Micro does the same with your information, and that's who we have helping to do exactly that. So we're going to give you a virtual private network. Anytime you're in a public area and you need to secure your Wi-Fi, you're going to have access and be able to do that to protect it. So no one is counting your keystrokes or taking a look at your information. You have password manager, you have cybersecurity and device protection. So we help protect your devices from viruses, malware, and ransomware. Listen, privacy, that's your business. But protecting it, well, that's ours. We also provide you with reputation management, where we'll scan certain social media accounts and Google searches for harmful content. We'll let you know where it is, giving you the ability to either keep it there or remove it. But now you have a sense of awareness. Identity consultation by identity theft specialist is available 24/7 for covered emergency, as well as full service restoration by licensed private investigators who are going to do whatever it takes for as long as it takes to restore you back to pre-theft status. And you get a $3 million